When you hear anchovy pasta, I'm sure most of you won't be excited. This is the perfect example of not judging a book by its cover. The combination of olive oil, garlic, parsley and anchovy creates a symphony of flavour that is much greater than the sum of its parts, and not at all fishy. Then you add the pangrattato and this dish becomes something positively epic. Welcome to our kitchen, where we show you that good food doesn't need to be difficult, expensive or need tons of space. Put stale bread into a blender or roughly blend. Then warm up a pan on a medium-low heat. Add the breadcrumbs first without any oil to toast the bread. We don't want any colour on the breadcrumbs at this stage. Once the breadcrumbs are dry and a little crisp, add some olive oil. Stir until golden brown and transfer into a bowl or pan. Now, heat up some water with a tablespoon of salt. While we wait for the water to boil, remove 5 to 8 anchovies from the container, depending on how big they are. Crush your garlic. Prepare the parsley by removing the leaves from the stem. Save a few stems, we're going to infuse them into the oil as we cook. Roughly chop the parsley. With your prep done, get a pan on medium-low heat. Pour in about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Add some chili flake if you like heat. Add the crushed garlic and stir to mix with the oil. Now add the anchovies. Stir through the anchovies until they break up. It should look something like this. Add the parsley stem. When the water starts to boil, add your pasta to the water. Make sure you stir your pasta at the beginning to prevent the pasta from sticking. We're going to take the pasta out 2 minutes sooner than packet instructions. We'll continue to cook the pasta in the pan. When your pasta is nearly ready, remove the parsley stem from the pan. When your pasta is ready, transfer it straight into the pan and take some of that pasta water with you. Add some extra pasta water. Keep mixing your pasta until a sauce forms. If your pasta is looking dry, add more pasta water. You should see a thick and creamy looking sauce start to develop. Add 3/4 of the chopped parsley and mix through. Now you're ready to plate up. Place the pasta into a plate or bowl. And sprinkle some of that pangrattato over your pasta. And finish with more parsley. And here is our anchovy pasta with pangrattato. Of course, we can't forget Henry, who loves this pasta. Here are some extra strands that we saved from the pot for your viewing pleasure. Even if you don't like anchovies, we really encourage you to try this recipe. The anchovies just add a deep umami flavour and not at all fishy. One of our favourite pasta recipes of all time, and best of all, it's quick, easy and cheap to make. Well, thanks for joining us, and remember, you're welcome in our kitchen anytime.